Dear children, in this class we will revise some problems you have studied in your previous class, I mean fourth class. See, there is a chapter 1 review. So we have to review the problems you have studied in the previous class. See, first main, number 1, rewrite the following numbers placing commas according to the Indian as well as international number system. So these number systems you will study in this class, I mean 5th class, so you can learn later. So number 2, write in words. See, I am solving only one problem, remaining you can solve. First one, 3, 1, 7, 5, 2, 1. See, how do you write in words? See, how do you write in words? First, before writing this number in words, we should know how to read it. So, before that, we should know the places. See, this is ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 3 is in lakh place, so 3 lakh 17,521. See, according to periods we have to put the commas. So here write in words, before that we have to put the comma. In Indian system, ones, tens, 100. So after 3 place, next after 2 place. See, in a ones period there are 3 places, ones, tens, 100. These 3 places are under ones period. 1000 and 10,000 are under 1000 period, next lakhs period, next crore period. So periods and places, I think you know that, otherwise you will study in the next class or in detail. So here in detail you can learn about the places, ones, 1000, lakh, crores. These are the periods of Indian place value chart. So now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 3 lakh 17,000 okay, 521. 3 lakh 17,521. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 3 lakh 17,521. This is in words. You have to write in this way. So remaining you can write 71,75,129. Okay. Now commas are, see, now it's in international system. You can write in Indian number system. If you write this in Indian number system, 1,12,759. So you have to put comma after this. Here after 3 place, 2 place. Next, after 2 place, you have to put the comma for Indian number system. So next, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So in the numbers are in international system because they put the commas for 3, 3, 3. So we have to read it in the international system, or we can change into Indian number system. So write in figures 8 lakh 585. See, while writing these figures in word, these numbers, 8 lakh. 8 lakh 500 85. See, 8 lakh 585. So this is very important. While writing this number, we must know the places. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousand, lakhs. You know why did I write this chart? Say 8 lakh. 8 is in the lakh place. Next 500. 5 is in the hundred place. 85. 85. So we have to put 0 in the 10,000 place. We have to put 0 in the thousands place. Okay. 8 is in the lakh place. So 8 lakh 585. So if we write this in the place value chart, it's easy to write in numbers. So you must know this. See, 98 lakh 21,000. 98 lakh. So 98. Here 9 we have to write in the 10 lakh place. 8 we have to write in the lakh place. 21,000. 2 is in the 10,000 place. 1 is in the 1,000 place. Remaining places should be 0. Okay. 4,240,000. It is in the international number system. 67 million. It's also in international system. 512 million. It's also in international number system. So this international place value chart we will learn in the next chapter. Next, fill in the blanks. The place value of 8 in 1,56,820. See, place value. The number is 1,56,820. So the place value of 8. What is the value of 8? Place value. So now 8 is in the hundreds place. So it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place. Next, lakh. 1,56,820. So it is place value, not face value. Face value and place values are different. So I think you will learn in the next chapter. 8 is in the hundreds place. So the value of 8 is 800. Okay. The place value. Place value of 8 is 800. Okay. Here place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 8 is 800. Place value of 6 is 6,000. Place value of 5 is 50,000. Place value of 1 is 1 lakh. So in place value changes according to the places. Okay. Now one more example. 28,41,200. Now the place value of 8. Here there is 8. Now the place value of this 8 is, still count it, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 8 is in the lakh place, so the place value of 8 is 8 lakh. Okay. Next problem. The Hindu-Arabic numeral for IX is dash. It is on Hindu-Arabic number. See, this is 1. Hindu-Arabic numeral for IX is 9. Okay. Hindu-Arabic numbers means what we use those numbers. Here IX means 9. Okay. The Roman numerals for 76 is dash. Say Roman numbers. First 1 to 10 we have to learn. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to use the Roman numerals for 76. Say 76. We have to use L. L means 50, 60, 70 and 6, 5 and 1. Okay. 76, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. 76. The successor of 71,350 is dash. Successor in the sense you have to add plus 1. You have to add 1. 71,351. Okay, you have to plus add 1 for this number. The predecessor of 8,91,000 is, here you have to subtract 1. I mean minus 1. 8,91,000 minus 1. $8,91,000 minus 1. 10, 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we have to borrow 10 minus 1, 9. Here it is 9, here it is 9. Now it is 0. Okay, here it is 9. $8,90,999. Okay, I subtracted 1 from this number, so this is predecessor, means minus 1. Okay, the expanded form of 5,13,973, 5 lakh 5 0 0 0 0 0, 5 lakh plus 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 3. Okay, the short form of 70 lakh, it's in an international place value system. We will learn in the next class. The greatest number and smallest number formed by using the digits 4, 5, 7, 9, 8 and 2. Greatest number and smallest number. We have to use 4, 5, 7, 9, 8 and 2. How do you form the greatest number? So greatest in the sense highest digit. So these are the digits 4, 5, 7, 9, 8 and 2. So 9 should be in the highest place. 9 is the highest here. Next to 9, that should be 8. There is 8. Next 7. 6 not there. There is 5. There is 4. There is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the digits we used. Now put the comma 3, 2. See? 9,87,542 is the greatest number we formed using these given digits. Okay. Now smallest number in reverse. 2 should be in the highest place. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. All the digits I wrote in reverse order. Two lakh 45,789 is the smallest number can be formed using the given digits. How many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? In the place value chart, when we compare international place value chart and Indian place value chart, we can understand. See, after 10,000, next place is lakh. Means 100,000 make a lakh. Okay. Write the following numbers in ascending order as well as descending order. Ascending means increasing order. Smallest number we have to write first and largest number comes at the end. Descending order in the sense in reverse, highest number we have to write first, least number at the end. Here, while writing ascending and descending order, we have to count the digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. It's also 6 digit number. It's also 6 digit number. It's also 6. All the numbers have 6 digits. Okay. Next thing is that highest digit. There is 8. There is 8. There is 8. Here also 8. So we have to go to the next place 7103. Which comes first? While writing in ascending order, smallest number we have to write first. So there is 0, here is 1, there is 7, there is 3. So 0 means 8,01,759 comes first. Next 8,19,753 comes next. After that 8,37,105. Next 8,71,359. Okay. While writing descending order, write in reverse order. Okay. This addition, you have to solve it in your notebook, then write in the textbook. Okay. This multiplication also, here there is 5-digit number into 3-digit number. You will learn in the next class. Okay, from here we will learn in the next class. Okay, thank you.